How to delete that gap inside Premiere Pro? Well, you can manually move it to the left, but if you don't want that method, but instead clicking on that one and pressing a button, well, in that case, delete is not deleting it and backspace is not deleting it either. So what can we do? Well, I have an MP4 file here and another MP4 file. And if I select both of them with this selection tool and right click on any of those clips, I can nest those. That is like moving two files into a folder. So let's just nest it. The color will change. Okay. Now it's not purple, now it's green and it's one single unit. And for some reason, now if I click on that gap, I can press backspace and the clip will move to the left. Voila. Ctrl Z, select the gap again, and now even delete is working. Delete. So just by nesting your videos, you can delete a gap in Premiere Pro.